Hey guys, wonderful day today, Friday, March 15th, out here. It's missing the Q, it says QMS. It's hiding behind the door. Anyway, so my first job, this is 500 plus, this is tile and carpet. No tile here, but you see all this is gonna be done. All the tile through there, here, a little bit here, not doing that room of carpet. Carpet here, kitty right there, carpet, and I'm using the new, of course I left the CRB outside, using the new, or not new to me, Primetime enzyme with the linen. So I've already pre-sprayed. Very light fragrance of linen. Smells nice, clean. I like it. I'll ask the client what she thinks of it, but yeah, carpet's off-white. See some trails right there. This table normally sits right here, so they work right here, but you can see all that. But I'm gonna get the CRB, start pre-agitating, and then start extracting, and see how it comes out. Alright, using the Primetime enzyme. You know what? And this is old carpet. But, geez, the CRB and the Primetime. Alright, so initial results, I'm liking it. Okay. And this carpet has been cleaned before by another local company. A local company that sold out to somebody else, or sold his business to somebody else. So as soon as they tried it with the new people who bought it, wasn't as good. So this is one of the cleaner rooms of the house. So not see much of a difference. Well, that's doing a good job. That's doing a really good job. I'm gonna get the client just so she can look at this. Hold on. Okay, she's on the phone, so she'll come in here in a minute and check it out. Just want her to see the results. They're coming out really good. Look at that difference. Look at that difference. Hey, Kayla. Yeah. You on the phone this time, Kaylin? Kaylin, why'd I call you Kayla? I'm sorry. That was. I want 2 opinions. Well, you can already see the difference, but and then the smell. How do you? Does it bother you? Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Okay. Clean.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Good deal.
that's good.
Good. Yeah, you can see it came out. This horse coming out really well, and the spot back there is gone where the cat sits in the corner.
Yes.
It's all gone.
Okay, great.
So it's coming out good, but you can see it.
Good. Yeah, that's really nice.
Yeah, this stuff cleaning up. Nylon's always good, so if you ever replace it, just get another nylon. You'll be fine.
Okay.
So like I said, this one lasted you 18 years. If you end up buying a polyester, you're definitely not going to be happy. Even with an expensive polyester, you're going to always relate it to this carpet, which is held up for this long. It can never compare.
Okay.
Even the newest polyester. So you always want nylon.
Good to know.
And so
great.
yeah.
Yeah, it's looking wonderful.
But yeah, I got tabs under that. So they're little clear tabs, so they just stick to the feet, just like the other guys had on there, but mine are under there, so so I don't have to worry about nothing like that. I've tabbed that, so I'm going to put that out here. I'm going to put that up on blocks and then put it back for you. But yeah.
Wonderful. Well, I'm wondering now, when we've had the carpet done before.
Yeah.
What happened is that it's like it buckled. It kind of.
Okay, so I had.
And then it relaxed.
I had this one. Yesterday morning, I had the same. I actually posted a video on the cleaners forum for new guys so they don't freak out.
Yeah.
So that's normal if it has a soft back. This, I don't think may have had a soft back. It may have been the first cleaning or one of the earlier cleanings. I mean, it could have a soft back carpet, which will ripple every time till you throw the carpet away, but it will always tighten back up.
Yes. Okay.
The other thing is they just really over wet the carpet. I don't see any rippling yet, so usually it's already started at this point, but I'll keep an eye on it and let you know. We'll see it if it does.
Yeah. Okay. That's
So
good.
yeah, but yeah, that sometimes happens to carpets for either a soft back, wasn't installed tight enough, or it's about time for a restretch. If it's never been restretched, which I doubt it, but I don't see any rippling on its own, so you shouldn't need it. So it could be a couple factors, but yeah, it always goes back to normal when it's flat. Yeah. But I'll keep an eye, and I'm going to use my fans here to speed dry it, so that'll help sometimes prevent it. But other times it'll still happen no matter what. But but we'll see. I'll keep an eye on it for you. But yep, thanks for giving me a heads up on that. So all right. Yeah. Client is very happy, and I continue cleaning the carpet here. It's coming out really good, as you can see. And I'm actually going to jump to the tile after this room here. We'll work it in phases. I'm going to go back and forth, but it'll just make it a little bit easier if I just work it in sections and then work my way out of the house that way.